I'm gonna fucking beat this motherfucker. I'll fucking explode like a dynamite. Ready to attack like a shock attack. You don't want none of this. I'll be the best. I'll be the L double one. Oh, please don't trouble me. Step away. I come back with the fucking mic. I'll straighten your face. Break your neck with the back. What's up? I got the shit unlocked out. I put it down. I get it down. Anywhere I go from place to place. Anything I do, they do for the best. You fucking work in a press, you're a piece of shit. You fucking work with fire. I'll be like a fucking holocaust after I'm done with you. You don't even want none of this. I'll fucking be the L double one. You don't want none of this. Step away where you can, or you fucking be hanged up, chopped up, fucking like mafia style. Fucking got dead, homie. What's up? Where you at? Got the shit unlocked out. Fool.
Alright, I was Ronnie and on maintenance. Next round. Let's see what the loaders can do.
Loaders. I represent the loaders.
Represent the loaders.
Loaders.
Raymond Marcus.
Alright, check it. Look at this bald fuck. His head's so slick, I could probably slide a hockey puck. Homie, you're whack. Do you listen to yourself? Are you dead? Shit, put it to rest, dog. You ain't nothing nice. Shit, I'll fucking cut you up with my knife, slit you open, like the real carteros, with the fucking machete. Shit, don't even trust me, dog, cause I'll get you in your back when you fucking in the restroom, fucking sitting on your fucking ass, just reading on your map. But I don't even trip though, dog. Cause this is Big Raymond, homie. Not double or fucking Mr. Big R, Big Ronnie. We double R for fucking retarded, dog. This shit's whack, homie. Shit. See me on the press, dog. You can't handle the heat. And if I see you on the street, I'ma let the whole clip load on you. From your head down to your feet. Drop it to the floor, dog. Then he bury you 6 feet deep. They don't even trip, dog. You can't handle that shit. That's why you just walking around getting your fresh air. Cause that's why he ain't got no hair. They don't even trip though, dog. Cause this is Raymond, homie, and I'm representing
That's
as a
no
loner.
hair.
And you a loner. Don't even trip. Walking around like a loner.